Hello, and welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
We are Emma and Harry.
And we hope you practice English through calm, real-life conversations.
And today's topic is shopping, how to speak naturally in a store and say no politely with confidence.
So let's get started together and make shopping in English feel a lot more natural.
This place feels warm.
It does, like the kind of store where you can breathe a little.
I'm glad it's not crowded.
Me too. Crowds make me forget my English.
Same, my brain goes quiet,
And then the simplest sentence feels heavy.
like you're carrying it.
Exactly. Okay, are you in a shopping mood today?
I think so, but also I'm not in a buy everything mood.
More like a look around and see mood.
Yes, a soft mood.
I like that. A soft shopping mood.
You know what I want to practice today?
Tell me.
Saying no without feeling guilty.
Oh, that's a real skill.
Because sometimes a salesperson is so kind.
And you feel like you owe them a purchase.
Exactly.
Okay, we'll practice that. Calm, polite, natural.
And also asking questions without sounding too formal.
Like you're writing an email to a jacket.
Yes, exactly that.
All right, let's go in slowly.
Okay,
If someone approaches, we can start with, "Hi, I'm just looking."
I'm just browsing,
Perfect. Browsing is a great word.
and it feels safe.
Safe is the right word.
I see a section over there with sweaters.
Do you want to start there?
Yeah, sweaters feel comforting.
I get that. Sweaters don't judge you.
They kind of do if the size is wrong.
Okay, fair.
Look at this one. The color is nice.
It is. Kind of calm.
But I'm not sure if it suits me.
Suits me is a good phrase.
It means, does it look good on me?
Right. I'm not sure if it suits me.
I always feel nervous saying that in a store.
Why?
Because it sounds like I'm asking them to decide my identity.
That's deep for a sweater.
Shopping can be deep,
It can, especially when you're tired.
and you want to feel like yourself again.
Okay, that's actually a beautiful reason people shop.
Not to buy, to feel.
Yeah, to feel like they're still here.
Exactly.
All right, let's keep it practical. What do you want to ask about that sweater?
I want to ask if they have it in a different size.
Easy. Do you have this in a medium?
Or do you have this in a different size?
Perfect. And if you want to be softer, you can say, "Do you happen to have?"
Do you happen to have this in a medium?
That sounds very natural.
I like happen to. It feels gentle.
It does, like you're not demanding.
Okay, I think a staff member is coming.
Breathe.
Hi there. Let me know if you need any help. Hi, thank you. I'm just looking around.
Yeah, just browsing for now, thanks.
Of course. Take your time. That was easy.
See? You didn't freeze.
I didn't, because I'm just browsing is like a shield.
A polite shield.
I want more polite shields.
We can collect them today.
Okay, another thing I want to practice is asking about price.
Yes, without sounding scared.
Sometimes I avoid asking and then I regret it later.
Because you get to the counter and your soul leaves your body.
Exactly.
Okay, an easy sentence is, "How much is this?"
But that can feel too direct sometimes.
Then you can soften it. "How much is this one?"
Or, do you know how much this is?
Yes, "do you know" makes it softer.
I like that.
Also, "What's the price on this?"
That sounds natural too.
Okay, choose one you like.
Do you know how much this is?
Great.
Look at these jeans.
Oh, wow, those are nice.
I like them, but they look expensive.
You can say, "They look a bit pricey."
Pricey, that's a good word.
It means expensive.
But not as harsh.
Exactly. A bit pricey is softer.
I want to try them, but I'm scared they won't fit.
That's normal.
And then I'll feel bad for wasting time.
You're not wasting time. Trying is part of shopping.
I know, but emotionally, it feels like I'm taking something.
Like you owe them a perfect body.
Yes.
That's real.
Shopping brings up feelings.
Today's topic is shopping, but it's also emotions.
Exactly.
Okay, let's practice a sentence for the fitting room.
Can I try this on?
Perfect.
Or is there a fitting room?
Yes.
Or where can I try this on?
Great.
And if it doesn't fit, what do I say?
Calmly, it doesn't fit me.
It's too tight.
It's too loose.
It's a bit long.
It's a bit short.
Okay.
And emotionally, you can say, I don't think it's the right fit for me.
That sounds kind.
Kind to yourself.
I like that.
Okay, go ask for your size.
Okay. Hi again. Would you like to try something on?
Yes, please. Do you happen to have these in a different size?
Sure. What size are you looking for?
Maybe a size smaller. Do you have a small?
Let me check. One moment.
That was really smooth.
I felt my heartbeat, but I said it.
You did?
Sometimes that's the whole victory.
Saying it even with the heartbeat.
Yeah. Here you go. I found a small.
Thank you so much.
No problem. The fitting rooms are right over there.
Great, thanks. Okay, you're gonna try 'em on?
Yes, but stay close.
I'm here. I'll guard your confidence.
Thank you.
Take your time.
Okay, wow. The fitting room light is harsh.
Fitting room lights are never kind.
It makes me look like I haven't slept in years.
Maybe you haven't.
True.
How do they feel?
They fit, but I'm not sure about the color.
I'm not sure about the color is a good phrase.
It's honest.
And you can follow with, do you have this in a darker shade?
Darker shade. Nice.
Or, do you have it in black?
That's easier.
Use what feels natural.
Okay, I'm coming out.
Okay?
So, they fit,
They look good.
but I don't feel like myself in them.
That's important.
Yeah, and I want to say that without sounding dramatic.
You can say, I like them, but they're not really me.
They're not really me.
It's simple, but it's real.
That's exactly how I feel.
Then that's your sentence.
Okay, I'm going to tell the staff I'll think about it.
Great. I'll think about it is powerful.
Because it gives you space.
Yes, space is everything in shopping.
Okay, staff is coming. How was the fit? The fit is good, thank you. I like them, but I'm not sure yet. I think I'll think about it.
Of course, no rush at all. If you want, we also have them in black.
Oh, really? Could I see the black ones?
Absolutely. I'll grab them for you. See? You didn't shut the door. You kept it open.
That's a good way to say it.
Keep it open.
I didn't say no.
You said not yet.
That feels kinder.
And more natural. Okay, here's the black pair.
Try them. Okay.
While you try them, can we teach viewers a few shopping feelings sentences?
Yes, because people feel so many things in stores.
Okay, 1. I'm not sure yet.
2. I'm still deciding.
3. I'm just comparing.
4. I'm looking for something simple.
5. I want something comfortable.
Comfortable is so important.
Because we're not just buying clothes, we're buying how it feels.
Exactly.
Okay, how does the black pair feel?
Better. More me.
See? Sometimes it's not the size, it's the feeling.
Yes.
And that's why shopping English matters. So you can find what feels right.
Okay, I think I might buy these.
Then we practice buying language.
Like, I'll take it.
Perfect. I'll take these.
Or, I'll go with these.
I'll go with these is very natural.
I like that one.
It sounds calm.
Okay, let's keep walking. I want to look at shoes too.
All right.
Shoes are dangerous.
Because you convince yourself you need a new life.
Exactly.
Okay, here are shoes.
These are pretty.
They are. But do they look comfortable?
They look beautiful, not comfortable.
That's honest.
How do you ask, is this comfortable?
Are these comfortable?
Simple.
Or are these comfy?
Comfy is more casual.
Yes.
Another question, do these run small?
Great phrase. Do these run small?
It means, are they smaller than normal?
Exactly.
And if I want to ask for another size,
Could I try a half size up?
half size up. Nice.
Or do you have these in a 38?
Okay.
Let's make a small situation. I'm the staff, you're the customer.
Okay.
Hi, can I help you with the size?
Yes, please. Do you have these in a size 38?
Let me check. Would you like to try them on?
Yes, please. Are they true to size?
Great question. True to size is very common.
It means normal.
Yes.
Okay, now let's do a real one with staff.
Okay.
Hi, those are popular. Would you like to try them?
Yes, please. Do you have these in a 38?
I do. One moment.
Thank you. You're doing great today.
I feel calmer because I have sentences ready.
That's the real power.
Not perfect grammar, ready sentences.
Exactly.
Here you go. Let me know how they feel.
Thanks.
Okay, they're pretty, but they pinch.
Pinch is a great word.
It means they squeeze,
Yes, they pinch a little.
or they feel tight around my toes.
Perfect.
I think I'll skip them.
Then we practice the polite no.
Okay, I'll tell the staff. How do they feel? They're really nice, but they feel a bit tight around my toes. I think I'll pass. No worries at all. Thanks for trying them.
Thank you. I think I'll pass is so useful,
Yes, it's polite and final.
but not rude.
It's like a soft no.
Another soft no is not today.
Or maybe another time.
Exactly.
Okay, I want to talk about something deeper.
Go ahead.
Sometimes when I shop, I don't know what I like
That's honest.
because I've been thinking about other people's taste.
Like social media.
Yes, like I'm shopping for approval.
That's a heavy feeling in a bright store.
It is.
What do you do when that happens?
I try to slow down,
Slow down is a good phrase.
and I ask myself, would I wear this if no one saw me?
That's such a good question.
It helps me come back to myself.
And you can express that in English too.
How?
I'm trying to choose what feels like me.
That's beautiful.
Or I want something that I'll actually wear.
Actually is important.
Because people buy things they never use.
And then they feel regret.
Buyer's regret.
Is that a phrase?
People say, I regret buying it.
Okay.
Also, impulse buy.
Impulse buy means buying without thinking.
Exactly.
I want to teach viewers how to say, I'm going to think about it.
We already did, but let's expand.
Okay.
Option 1, I'll think about it.
Option 2, let me think about it.
Option 3, I'm going to take a look around first.
Option 4, I'm going to compare a few options.
That's great.
And if the staff keeps pushing,
Then you can say, thanks, I'm good for now.
I'm good for now.
Very natural.
It means I don't need help.
Exactly.
Okay, do you want to buy anything today?
Honestly, I came in thinking I would.
And now?
Now I just want something small, something useful.
Like what?
Socks.
That's the most practical answer.
Because socks don't make me question my identity.
True.
Okay, here is socks.
Do you want the soft ones or the athletic ones?
Soft.
Soft is a mood today.
It is.
Okay, so if you want to ask for help finding something, what do you say?
I'm looking for.
I'm looking for socks.
Do you have any in cotton?
Cotton. Nice.
Where can I find?
Where can I find the socks section?
Great.
Okay, now let's practice paying.
At the counter.
We teach I'll take this and I'll go with these.
And could I pay by card?
Or do you take card?
Yes. Do you take card is natural.
Okay, we're at the counter.
Hi. Did you find everything okay? Yes, thank you.
Yes, we did, thank you.
Great. Would you like a bag? No thanks, I'm good.
Actually, yes, please. A small bag is fine.
Sure. That'll be 24 euros. Okay, can I pay by card? Of course.
That was smooth.
And now the ending line is important.
Have a nice day.
Or, thanks. Have a good one.
Have a good one is very natural.
Yes.
Okay, we should slow down and reflect for viewers.
Yes.
Today wasn't about buying
It was about speaking
and feeling calm while speaking.
and not feeling guilty for saying no.
Exactly.
Can we give viewers a few copy-paste sentences they can use?
Yes, but keep it natural.
Okay.
Hi, I'm just browsing.
Do you have this in a different size?
Do you happen to have this in black?
I like it, but I'm not sure yet.
I think I'll think about it.
Thanks. I'm good for now.
They're really nice, but I think I'll pass.
I'll go with these.
Can I pay by card?
Perfect.
And one more emotional sentence.
I'm trying to choose what feels like me.
That one matters.
Because language is not just for buying things.
It's for coming back to yourself.
Okay, that's a beautiful place to end part 2.
Yes.
Take a breath and remember, you don't need perfect English to shop.
You just need a few calm sentences you can trust.
And if you freeze, it's okay.
You can always say, "Sorry, could you say that again?"
Or, could you say that a little more slowly?
Exactly.
Okay, let's go back to host mode.
All right, so that's the end of today's lesson about shopping in English.
Thank you so much for staying with us, especially if you're watching after a long day.
We hope this episode helped you feel calmer and more confident the next time you walk into a store.
Because shopping English isn't about fancy words, it's about simple, polite sentences that help you communicate naturally.
Before you go, practice with us in the comments.
Write one short shopping sentence using this template.
Today, I was looking for blank. I liked blank, but blank, so I said blank.
We'll read your comments and reply to help you sound more natural.
And if this lesson helped you, please like the video.
It truly supports the channel, and it helps more learners find calm, real-life English.
Don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Talk for more episodes like this.
Thanks again for learning with us.
Take care, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!